The rubber duck, a symbol of childhood, wasn't always yellow or even a toy. Its earliest versions, made of hardened rubber in the late 19th century, were often weighted to be chew toys, not bath companions. The iconic yellow color became popular after a mass production surge in the 1940s, cementing its bath toy status. Artist Florentine Hoffman created massive floating rubber ducks that toured cities worldwide, delighting millions. Believe it or not, rubber ducks have played a role in oceanography, helping track currents. In 1992, over 28,000 rubber bath toys, including ducks, spilled from a cargo ship in the Pacific. These friendly floatees drifted for years, providing invaluable data on ocean currents to scientists. In software development, rubber duck debugging is a real technique. Explain your code to a duck to find errors. Some vintage rubber ducks are highly collectible, with rare versions fetching significant sums at auction. From simple bath toy to scientific instrument, the rubber duck holds surprisingly deep and quirky stories.